the craziest text of my life, and it just absolutely dumped. And I profit $4,000 today. All right, boys, another day in the life here in downtown Toronto. And you guys see, we dropped a little bit of cash. I'm gonna be doing a little luxury designer shopping spree. You guys are gonna see. But before we start this video, you guys need to see the banger trade I hit this morning to allow me to get this stuff, because I had a $4,000 trading day. So check it out and enjoy the video, guys. It is 9:40 a.m. Again, done the trading day, done my work day today. We took two trades, full transparency. I'll show you the first one. If I go to, so here's the first one. Very unfortunate. I entered here and we had manipulation, just took out these stop losses to then have this massive move down. But don't worry, because I actually risked this one effectively, only losing about, I'll show you guys, but like 400, I think. And then I took Euro AUD, and look at this one. Way better entry, no manipulation, and it just absolutely dumped. So I secured some all the way down there. Obviously, I sent it out to my students as well, but you guys could see. This was a $2,000 account challenge. If you want to go watch the last video. It's currently almost at 7K. If I go to my trade history, so you could see 435 we lost on Euro CAD, and I profit $4,000 today. I made $3,572. And if I go to last week, you could see, boom, there's all the positions there. Deposit 2,000, and we flip this account times 3. And for all the haters, just because I love proving you guys, it is a live account. The reason I'm showing you guys these flipping challenges is because you don't need a ton of money to start trading. But because I've done this countless of times, you can see on my Instagram at LukeBNCO if you check out my trades highlights. And the best part is I sent this out to my one-on-one mentorship students as well. So they literally banked with me. Also applying my trading systems, here are a few wins from my students. Heroin caught the trade I sent out. He had good risk management. AF, one of my longtime students, midday on Tuesday, and he's up $650. Profit playbook will change your life. You can see if I pop this open, $640. He's killing it. No losses. So I finished my shower, hopped quickly on the charts, saw the position I liked, sent it out to my one-on-one mentorship students, caught them myself, but now I'm gonna fully get ready again. And you know what I'm gonna do, boys? I think it'd be cool. We had a really good day, 3,500 on the day. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a designer shopping spree, take you guys along, and enjoy this beautiful day up 3,500 bucks. Just pulled up to the gym. Guys, I just got the craziest text of my life. If you watched my video where I spent my birthday in Miami, you guys know my one-on-one student, my first ever one-on-one student, had a $30,000 profit week, which was unreal. He just texted me. He beat my biggest day ever myself. My biggest day is about $11,000 in one single day. He just sent me this text. No risk, no worry. You guys know I love that quote. $20,000 day on gold. Unbelievable. He said it took him about 3 hours to make $20,000. I told you guys, he quit his 9 to 5. He's all in on trading now. And I told him I'm so happy for him because I literally changed someone's life. This is why I trade. This is why I help others and inspire you guys with these videos. Take this as motivation, because a couple months ago, he was working in negative 40-degree weather in Canada, and now he gets to make money from the comfort and warmth of his home, $20,000 in a day. I don't know what's next for him. He's gonna do some crazy things. I'm gonna do some crazy things. We're all gonna grow together. That's the best part. But wanted to motivate you guys with that. But you guys could see, took the M3 and we made it to the gym. Gonna hit a lift. Quick update, hours later, I don't know what took me so long. Finished the workout, changed an outfit for like the 3rd time, and we head into Toronto. We got the LA Miami fit kind of going on to switch it up a bit. But right now we are caught up in Toronto's terrible traffic. Literally bumper to bumper right now, boys. And I'm not even complaining, because when we were in Miami, the traffic there is even worse than Toronto, which is crazy because I actually thought Toronto had the worst traffic in the world. Till I went to Miami multiple times and it proved me wrong.
Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. Then we can go all night. So if you want me, tell me that.
Can't wait till all of these trees finally bloom and you get that lifeness that comes with spring and just summer. All right, no more music. M2 is gonna be our new music right now. Got the valves opened up. Much rather listen to pops than music right now. No parking spots here. Missed the parking spot in the last spot. The girl said there was a spot open. There was not a spot open indeed. So we're just gonna quickly find an underground spot here. Quick rep for the boys. Let's get it, boys. I think we're gonna head to LV first. We might have to get a bite here too because we came super late. It's now dinner time. So might have to link up with a friend down here and grab a bite. Shit, you know what? Might have to get some red bottoms, boys. But when we dress up, gotta get those red bottoms on. Let's go.
Say that you love me too. Kisses don't come for free. So what you waiting for? Back to mine, only 5. Then we can go all night. Then we can go all night.
Red bottom, red
Then we
carpet.
can go all night.
Hi guys. Let's see what they got, boys.
Black's better.
Black, yeah.
More casual.
Yeah. She's gonna pull out the black pair. Want something like this, but low cut and like suede. These are hard. Got the red bottoms.
Go all night. Then we can 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 go all night. So if you want me.
Actually, but I like being low key. These are kind of low key, but if you know, you know.
Exactly.
Then you got the club shoes, we got the disco going on. It's like a Miami shoe. But yeah, the guy's super chill. He's checking to see if he has the sizes in stock, and then he's gonna come bring them out for us.
New sizing here with this 43.
Sweet, yeah. Yeah.
We'll try these off for size. And as soon as you're trying them
Perfect, yeah, that's a perfect size.
out, these go hard with a pair of them, no?
Yeah?
Sorry, I didn't grab your name.
Luke.
Luke, Pablo, nice to meet you.
Yeah, you too, man.
And your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan.
1345.
About 1500 after.
Okay.
And then,
So, I mean, we had a 4K trade today, we could afford that.
there you go. Let's check the.
Perfect, let's do it.
Okay.
Hear me out, Miami poolside. I swear to God, I've not seen a single person rock these. I'm already getting one pair of shoes, we'll keep it as shoes for now. I'll come back for this one. Thank you.
Just a quick little autograph from you. Just so we check the size and the soles at the bottom there.
Okay.
Is this mission accomplished back home, or are you guys gonna do a little bit of Yorkville?
We'll do a little bit of Yorkville. We just came in, first stop, yeah. And we'll probably grab a bite down here too, so.
Oh yeah, well if you want some good food,
Yeah,
Castlemore's
I was literally just was there a couple days ago. That's my favorite spot here.
Wagyu fried rice there is
Yeah.
incredible. The lychee martini
The Wagyu
is
buns
really
as
good.
well.
There you go. You know your stuff.
Well, boys, that was faster than I thought. First store, but it was a sick purchase. It's valid. I need some red bottoms. Now let's hit up Louis Vuitton and see what's up there. Watch the whole video, guys, because I'm gonna do a Q&A. I posted an Insta story of your guys' top questions for me. So after the next store or two, I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna answer a bunch of questions for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe and like right now, and a comment down below if you haven't yet. All right, boys, we made it to LV. In the change room right now, trying on a couple things. This is what the girl recommended me. I don't know, what do you guys think? For me, it's a no. Then we got this t-shirt, which
kind of sick, but I don't know. Rather just wear a white tee. Probably just gonna get a scarf that you guys are gonna see. All blacked out, will be sick for the flicks. You guys will see it. All right, boys, we did some more damage. I'll show you what we got here, come. Apparently, it was weird. Louboutin, they were super chill, they let us record, but apparently we're not allowed to record in the LV store. What I was trying to say is, I'm gonna go find a different spot to show you guys what I picked up just cause we're in the middle of this walkway and it's all wrapped up. But, got like a blacked out little scarf, kind of sick. I guess I have that for the winter, I don't really have a scarf. Plus, the photos are gonna go crazy with it. But yeah, it was weird. They didn't let us record at all. So obviously I'm gonna respect that. But I'll show you guys when we pull up to a different spot what I got. Guys, when you start trading, your perception of money totally changes. Like, I still don't believe it myself. I made $4,000, like $4,000, and it was only 30 minutes. Literally, over a year ago, that would have took me a whole month to make, and I did that in 30 minutes. And it's really just numbers on a screen, but that shows you like money is not real. Learn the skill, and I hope this motivates you guys because now trading has allowed me to splurge and treat myself. I just want to say I'm super grateful, and I hope this motivates you to chase your dream life and live the life of freedom. All right, perfect spot. Let's do the Q&A, boys. All right, let's show you guys what I picked up from LV. Unbox this. This is hard. I don't know really what I'm gonna use this for, but I'm not gonna lie, it's hard, that's all that matters. This was 900, 1600, still up on the day with that 4K trade. So I'm like, whatever, a little treat. Real quick, before we do the Q&A, a lot of you guys keep asking me how to become my one-on-one mentorship student. That's gonna be the first link down below where I do one-on-one calls with you guys to break down my full trading systems, and you get all my live trades so you guys could earn and learn with me. So if you wanna work with me one-on-one, that's the first link down below. But let's get into the questions. We have a good amount of questions. And the first one is, what's your biggest trading day? All right, my biggest trading day. Well, one of my goals last year was to hit a $10,000 trading day, 5 figures. Here's a screenshot I remember. Read the numbers, boys. We hit the 5-figure goal. 11,000 right there, but I closed it out at about 10,000. So I'm gonna say $10,000 was my biggest trading day yet. All right, I have to get through all of these responses, so give me some time. All right, next question. How'd you change your approach with the new liquidity due to Trump? That's a good question because the market's totally changed, guys. Even I had to adapt my strategy. What I did was basically I applied everything on the higher time frames and noticed there was too much volatility in the markets. Trump would say something, I'm in a swing position, it would stop me out or it would just be very volatile. So I'm like, I gotta make a change. And what I did was I took everything on my higher time frames and literally same concepts, but put it into the lower time frames. And it actually has even increased my win rate. So now I'm gonna ride with this and cash that money. How trading changed your life? I'm not a big designer guy. I don't really care for it, but you could see today I gotta treat myself. But the biggest thing I care about is just the freedom that comes with it because my workday is 20 minutes, an hour max, and the scalability is endless. For example, you guys saw I made $4,000 on my flipping account that I started with 2K. Think about my main accounts, let's just say that. Next question. What is your strategy in trading? The easiest way to break that down will be through my mentorship. You get my full trading systems. When will you move to Miami? Good question. Let's just say it's gonna be sooner than you guys think. Who's your mentor? Another good question. I actually never had a mentor in the beginning, which is why I lost a decent amount when first starting out and I was about to quit. I don't know if you guys saw my last video where I started with stocks. You guys, I remember, was the first ever stock and I was up in the beginning and then I ended up losing and it scared me. So I just really learned myself and it costed me money. If I learned what I knew now, I would definitely invest in a mentor in a community because it's gonna help you save a shit ton of money in the beginning and you'll obviously see results a lot faster and you'll have guidance and community to bounce ideas off of. What strategy you use? For me, ICT. Let's just leave it at that. No ICT, guys. On which level you see yourself in 5 years from now? Big fan. Thank you for starters. Thanks for the support. 5 years from now, a lot could happen in 5 years, guys, because I just saw what happened in 1 year. So I'm gonna aim big. I'm gonna say in 5 years, I'm coming for that Bugatti. So Bugatti, ton of supercars in my collection, living in Miami. Honestly, have my dream watch and I'm satisfied. That's all I want. And then obviously with that, take care of my family, take care of my friends. So do I only trade in session? I trade New York session primarily. My concepts do work for London, but that's like 3 a.m. for me, so I like my sleep. So New York works. When you swing trade, do you only select the best pairs at the beginning of the week? Normally I did, but then I would still review them. But now, like I said, I'm not even really swing trading anymore. I'm more day trading, which I like better. Now my workday consists of even less time and I can go to bed peacefully knowing I don't have an open position. What's the best broker I use? Again, that's gonna be in the description down below. What do you think about full porting NFP? I think that's genius, bro. Just kidding, guys. You're either gonna become filthy rich from that or dead broke. That's complete gambling, stay away from that. Do I teach how to pass funded accounts? Well, yeah, the systems of trading I teach correlates to helping you pass funded. A ton of my students pass funded accounts and receive payouts. How much do I need to make a month to beat your #1 student? You guys saw from the beginning of the video, he had a 20K day today and he had a 30K week. So that's already like at least 50K a month. I would say that. But who knows? I might have another student prove me wrong and beat the record. So you only use supply and demand? Not at all. I use a ton of confluences that goes into it. I try to break down as easy as I can for these short videos for you guys, but it's the flow model. If you know, you know. All right, that's pretty much it. Last question is, if you were to go back to when you began, what would you have done differently? Like I said, it'd be smart to just invest in a community, invest in a mentor, and just surround myself with other traders. So yeah, cool questions, boys. I'm gonna do more of these in the future, but it is 7:07. We got here a lot later than I wanted. The stores closed at 7 p.m. So we're lucky we even got to hit up 2 stores. But now let's go find something to eat, boys. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. The shops are closing, it's getting dark. Time to make our way home. Successful day. Now I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna request that $3,000 withdrawal from my trading account, and we're chilling. Make sure you guys are subscribed because you have no idea what's coming these next months. So subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys on the next video.